secret of your presence, and Lord, there I am restored. When you call, I want the refuge. It's you, say again, I choose. There is no one else for me. None but Jesus, crucified to set me free. Now I live to bring praise. Into chaos and confusion, I know your sovereign still. In the moment of weakness, in the moment of my weakness, you give me grace to do your will. So when you call, I want to this is my song throughout my day. There is no one else for me. None but Jesus, crucified to set me free. Now I live to bring praise. There is no one else for me. None but Jesus, crucified to set me free. Now I live to bring praise. Make this your personal declaration to God that He is your only one, no other things but Jesus Himself. Let your heart be filled with the love of God, and may your delight be in Him. Let's say, all my delight is in you, Lord. All my delight is in you, Lord. All of my heart, all of my strength, and all my delight is in strength. May God be our delight. Oh, my delight is in you, Lord, forevermore. Once again, let's say this. Oh, my delight is in. There is no one else. Only the presence of the Lord. Only the presence of the Lord. Oh, my delight is in you, Lord. Lord of my heart, Lord of my strength. Oh, my delight is in you, Lord, forevermore. There is no one else for beside no, but Jesus. There is no one else, Lord, but to set me free is the only one to bring praise. Oh, willing to bring you praise. Look at this heart, Lord. Look at our hearts, Jesus. Search it, Lord. You're the only one who set us free from the shackles of defeat, from the shackles of frustration, from the shackles of disappointment, Lord. You're the one who set us free from our sin, Jesus.